Now, Indian embassy has cautioned both Indian and Pakistani nationals to remain indoors amid the ongoing violence in Kyrgyzstan. Reports from agencies indicate that the conflict, which erupted in Kyrgyz Republic on May 17th, stemmed from a dispute between Egyptians and Kyrgyz residents. Subsequently, some Kyrgyz individuals began assaulting Pakistani students, prompting the Indian embassy to issue safety guidelines for Indian students, urging them to stay indoors and maintain contact with embassy officials until the crisis is resolved. In response to the situation, Manipuri students residing in the affected area expressed fear and reported being restricted from leaving their residences. Regardless of nationality, they stated that Kyrgyz individuals were attacking indiscriminately. Furthermore, their colleges advised them to remain indoors until the crisis subsides. However, attempts to seek assistance from the Indian embassy reportedly yielded inadequate responses, prompting the Manipuri students to express their desire to leave the area due to escalating tensions and the challenging circumstances they are facing.